Migao mar oganda ma Afrika ma Ugwe East Africa Community kod gwenge mongoro oyango ni gichano yawo chiro mibiro tigodo kod oganda mawuok e pinje mantiere e bwo riwruok mar EAC. Chiro no midendo ni Jumuiya Cross Border Market ibiro ger e boma ma Busia kendo igeno ni obiro chwalo ohala machiko puodho e kind jo-ohala ma pacho kae kaachiel kod jo-ohala mawuok e pinje magin jokanyo mag riwruok mar EAC. Jagoro mongirore e migao mar tudruok e pinje mag Afrika ma Ugwe Abdi Dobat olero ni chiro no ibiro ger e eka 40 mar lowo moseket tenge ne migao no ka budget mar chenro no en siling ma ok tin ne bilion 1.5.
We are in the process of mobilizing funds for the Jumuiya cross-border market. This is a market concept that we've been looking at as a ministry, and we've gotten a lot of help from development partners, specifically the Trademark Africa. We started this process in 2019. Busia was identified as the first market location. We are looking at other cross-border, we are looking at other one-stop border posts as well. So in Busia, we've already done the public participation. We've had conversations with all levels of stakeholders, including the government and the people. We have identified a 40-acre land, and that land has already been given to the ministry. So as I had mentioned in my statement, we're in the process of mobilizing funds so that we can start the construction. We do not have timelines right now, but we are looking at soonest.
County